Boom, viewers, subscribers. Back again with these quick updates because trust. If it's not phone from King Mix Up, it's not credible. And people already know my style and things. Rare updates, now one. You see me? So, the thing said, people. Dancing Rebel just get her body surgery and the rest of the crew. Pretty and TC. And, they depend Joe Bogdanovich production with this dancehall single life thing and things. And, you know, girls them getting their promo up, but no more because people Dancing Rebel IG page has gotten deleted. Yeah, it gotten deleted, and we can't blame Ivani for it. You feel what I'm saying? And the streets is saying that it's Spice is the one that got Dancing Rebel them page deleted. Chano, people. The streets always be talking and talking about Spice. The streets is saying that she is the baddest female in the industry, and we're not talking about lyrics, people. We're talking about Spice threw a party the other day, go down there, with Shaggy and Sean Paul and the Love and Hip Hop crew. But the streets were saying y'all wasn't seeing what they were seeing. The streets were saying Spice had two men up in the club. Yes, some man have two women and two gal in the club. Spice had two men. You see, the streets been saying that she's been fucking what's his name? Shaggy. You feel what I'm saying? And the streets now know she's in a loving relationship with, Justin. So boy, Justin, stick around to hear what the streets have to say. You feel what I mean? And bad Gyal Cecile is speaking about women violence because, she's a woman naturally, but it's just getting out of control. Where is the JCF? Her DMs is bombarded with women complaining about being attacked by men and, nothing is not being done about it. And honestly, people, I've been getting the same DMs too, and I'm going to play one of those DMs from this lady that says the police is basically cheering on the man that I beat her. Nah, take it not seriously and them thing there. So let us get on with it. Chano. Chano, people. Things was going so good for PTR, Pretty TC and Rebel, The all of them got a 2-season deal with Joe Bogdanovich with that Dancehall Signal reality show. You feel what I'm saying? All of them just got their designer body and, all of them looking nice like some Jamaican ambassadors to, this lipo-ish, because, they didn't export their body to be done, They kept the money in the island, and it's a good look, because them look good, and I think a lot more girls are going to do it if they can afford it. People put in the comment section, why is Dancing Rebel Pretty TC staying in Jamaica and doing designer surgery on their body instead of going to DR like the rest of the crew? You feel what I'm saying? Putting out a comment section, but let's stay on topic. Like I said, people, Dancing Rebel, this is her second page that got deleted, And this one, the second one, had 595,000, little over 500,000 followers, you feel me? And the page Rebel Nation, Rebel Nation is Fiat thing. That page also got deleted too. So the people them said that Obi Trong and the witchcraft people them I work them sorcery, and putting in the comment section who do you think the streets is saying. Oh, and this is straight out of my DM. So all of you sucker Jamaican flaggers who like for copy King mix up every blood clot thing. Chuck true, Bamba or who. Yeah, so back to my DMs, people. Yesterday at 7:19 p.m., I get the Iwater DM and I get the Spice DM, You don't know the thing them said. Them say Iwater did a flex with Pretty today. It's like them, they back for real, yes. I confirmed the other day that Pretty Session now left Iwater, and Cartel 2 blood clot mix up both via Punani's G6. But let's stay on topic, people. Rebel page got deleted in the streets is saying the Spice. So my industry insider link me and said, so me here say, a Spice make Rebel page get erased. Yes. She laugh about it and say, our followers them did, I follow them. Next is Pretty Bombaclat. And people remember, this is all alleged allegations, street talk, fairy tales talk. You feel I'm saying? Give unto Caesar what belongs to Caesar, and give unto Queen Spice what belongs to Queen Spice. And according to the streets, Spice want back all our followers, them, you know. She want back all our 500,000 followers, them, for go back in our 4 million followers. You feel me? Yeah. So Rebel on gone, and now it's Pretty's turn. Yes. Pretty has a lot to say about Spice, you know. She's the most hard-headed one next to Rebel. You feel I'm saying? I'm not sure about TC. I don't think TC is gonna get her page. You know, TC seems like she's nice and emotional, you know. Who knows? She, out of all of them, might end up work back with Spice. We seen Spice talk back to Danger. TC and these people never slept with her baby father, you know. So yeah, people putting out a comment section if you think Spice had anything to do with her page getting deleted and things. Cause she want our followers back, you know. Now, people, the streets is very messy, and it could be very messy when you're a celebrity. Feel what I'm saying? Especially when you're one of them A-list celebrity, and the streets have been saying Shaggy and Spice been fucking for the longest, you know what I mean? Yeah. Streets talk, you know what I mean? But now, Spice is in a loving relationship with the Rasta man. You side. He's the cameraman, you know what I mean? He see everything. You feel what I'm saying? The streets is not saying that Spice is still sleeping with Shaggy. The streets don't know if Spice was sleeping with Shaggy while she was with the Rasta man. We don't know how long she and the Rasta man has been a couple. But the streets is saying Spice is the baddest bitch in the business, because you never seen no other female dancers have 2 niggas up in the club at one time. No, actually, no. That's like a bumper club. Streets, yeah. People forgetting about Aishana, man. Aishana had about 4 or 5 niggas up in the same club with her baby father. Yeah, so you know, but it looked like Justin had his eyes on things. People putting in the comment section if you think Justin drape up Spice. To see if she are going with things with Rascal, such man, Shaggy, you see me answer. Put in the comment section if Spice was your woman, and you see them Dexadaps behavior and things. If when you go home, would you drape her up, you know, and things. Now, before I play the voice note with the lady asking me, you know, basically for help, she's in fear of her life. Bad Gyal Cecile is going to talk about the amount of DMs that she's getting from women in a similar position that's being abused by men. And the JCF is not doing nothing about it. And she took to IG to say, has anybody ever got a response from the JCF yet, you know? And she says, I'm just told that my neighbor's friends was kidnapped by the taxi she went in at Bridgeport and taken to an ATM and robbed of $100K and kept overnight to go back to the ATM and robbed again of $80K. That's all she had in her account. Then let go at Crossroads and given bus fare. There were 2 other women tied up in the taxi as well. She then went to the closest station, which was Crossroads, who sent her to Bridgeport, who sent her to 100 man. CM goddamn day. All although the public was never made aware. I'm trying to corroborate this, but me don't know them. Nah, go respond. How can I corroborate this kidnapping report so I can do my duty as an artist and warn the nation so she can warn the nation, warn other women, and maybe do some police work. Police also treat victims like criminals sometimes. This happened a few weeks ago. All I care about is protecting women, and everybody I get cussed. Citizen, police, government, everybody. She also says the stories in her DM are very troubling. A lot of stuff is going on and both women and men are not getting support as it relates to crime. I always take up for the police, always, because I believe in the rule of law. But the citizens of Jamaica deserve the best from every single person in law enforcement. Now I understand why people do not assist in crime solving. And she went off to say, now I get it. In the beginning to understand. Make no mistake. Me still a burn uno out. If uno say and not talk, no excuse now. Cause we have the internet, but I'm slowly getting the resistance. I'm slowly seeing things from a different perspective. Cecile, me don't know where you grew up, But you said Jamaica have classes, some things, so no, you finally see it, cause probably you did have money and you out of them situations from long time, Yeah, America, we deal with racism and thing, you know what I mean? But people putting in the comment section what you think about that. And now I'm gonna play the voice note somebody sent me asking for help. Yeah.
Good night. I know I'm just a total stranger to you, but I know you guys. Like a social media fan. My life is in serious danger by this person. This person breaking on my house, man, him stop talking from last year, October. Him didn't know where me work. Him come outside of my workplace. Him trail me down after work. Him breaking on my house. I got the police station them, but because when people have them big links and whatever, them not really business. My life not value none. I'm a small person. Last week Saturday, this person almost run me off of the road, lick out my car glass, splint up the all of the right side of my body, draw me out of my car, beat me up and drive with my car. Him turn up back with my car 5 days after. Him leave his car on the scene and me break his car glass 5 days after and turn back with my car at the Stony. I went by the court's office and we don't have any kids together or anything. We don't have no kids together. We are not together for a long period of time. We just went from June until October because we did go out. And him asked me where me come from and me said none of your concern. Him actually did wait for me up on my kid. And me said none of your concern and him actually boxed me on my face. So from in October me tell him say it's over. And from October until now this guy been stalking me. Oh my God, the family court for the restraining order against him. Them just give me a court date and that's all. That is all.
Jano. JCF, you have to do better, The whole owner of mothers, you see me, start take them things seriously. But people, I was just giving you that update on Rebel and Spice. Rasta man, Shaggy, you don't know the thing set. Bad Gyal Cecile, and this, And new people to the channel, if you're feeling these types of reviews, hit the like button, We try and get 1,000 likes around here. So all of you regular viewers, try like it up the situation too. And don't forget to hit the notification bell and press all, because around your side you get the latest and dancehall news, music reviews and gossips. Bless.